In this video, I will show you how to change a field length for the laser marking machine and set up the software. The original length is the 110mm field length. I will change it to a 220mm field length. First, we replace the field length. Unscrew the old length from the bottom and don't screw the adapter ring on the top. Then we install the new lens. Then we set up the software. We right-click the software and click Open File Location. This is the folder of the software, and we make a copy of this folder and rename the new folder to 220mm and rename the original folder to 110mm. We open the new folder and find the Ezcad 2 application. When you turn on the machine, then open the software. We click the system parameter and click workspace. The size are 220. This number is the half of the size value, so it's negative 110. They are negative numbers. Then we click F3. We change the field size to 220mm. We don't need to change these options. We also need to change these parameters, but we will do it later. Next, we need to find the focal length. Draw a circle, hatch it, set the speed to 1000, the power to 70%. Then we check the continuous part option. Lift the laser head to its highest position. Then we put a stainless sheet on the bottom plate. Then we click mark. Then we need to put on the goggles. Slowly move the laser head downwards and observe the change of laser energy on the metal plate. Now we can see the laser beam. The laser becomes stronger and stronger when we move the laser head downwards. Continue to move the lead head downwards. The laser becomes weaker and weaker, so we need raise the lead head upward. We can stop moving the lead head when the laser is brightest and the sound is loudest. Then we find the focal length. Now I want to focus the laser on the bottom plate. The thickness of the metal sheet is 1 millimeter. We can lower the lead head by 1 millimeter with the scale. Okay, then the laser is focused on the bottom plate. Then we can do a marking test. We draw a square. Set the size to 200 by 200 millimeters. We can check the size. Apparently, the size is not same with our design. We can calibrate the size with the two parameters. Click this icon. The goal mark size is 200. The real mark size, we can check the real marking size and input here. Because we set Gilbo2 equals x, so we should input the size of the upper and the lower sides. For example, we can input 210. We can calibrate the size of the left and the right sides with this parameter with the same method. The 6 parameters are used to fix distortions. If your marking result is like a barrel, then you can fix the distortion with the 2 parameters. If your marking result is like a parallelogram, you can fix the distortion with the 2 parameters. If your marking result is like a trapezoid, you can fix the distortion with the 2 parameters. It's a little complicated, so I made a document to help you do it. The parameter range is from 0.875 to 1.125. So I will give you an example. So it's like a bearing. The left and the right sides are convex outward. We can fix the distortion with the 2 parameters. Then how to adjust the 2 parameters? We can check the document. The marking shape is more like this one, so we need to increase the Gilbo2 parameter. For example, we can increase the Gilbo2 parameter to 1.1 and we see the result. Now the left and the right sides are concave into the box. The marking shape is like this type, so we should reduce the cable to parameter. We can test it again and again, then we can get the best marking result and the best parameter. The method is similar if you want to fix other distortions. I will put a download link in the description. You can download the document from my Google Drive. Finally, we save the parameters and send the shortcut to desktop. We rename the two software. So when we use the 110mm field length, we can open this software. When we use the 220mm field length, we can open this software. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave a comment. See you next time.